Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to do calculation on time-weighted returns. So basically it's based on the concept of compounding returns. What we're trying to do is trying to calculate a return which is comparable between different investments. It regards how much capital is employed, so it's trying to calculate the per capital employed return. We have the same example here. We have a simple portfolio. It worth £100 when you invest in time zero, and then there's some cash outflow in the first 30 days of your investment, which is £50, and before you withdraw that money, actually it worth £95 at that moment in time, so in time t, which is 30 days after your investment. And then this, from that onward, the price actually after the withdrawal of £50, this value actually move to 60 at the end of your investment period. So how to calculate the return, time weighted return, assuming it's like per dollar return. This is the idea. So we separate this calculation into two steps. The first step is calculating the return of the first half, the first 30 days, and the second half is from the 30 day to the end, and you need to make sure what is the valued and what is the capital employed. So first of all, it will be easier to understand the concept in Excel. You can see you need to lay down the cash flow in according to time period. So we have three time period: time 0, time 0.8, and time 1. We have cash. The price of the portfolio will be 100, and then it becomes 95 before you withdraw, and it becomes 60 at the end. How much capital actually we invested? Initially we invest in 100, and after the withdrawal we actually invest 45. Why is that? It's because our portfolio at that moment in time worth 95, and we withdraw 50 from there, so we employ 45 from that onward to the end of the period 1. So to calculate, the first return will be the price divided by the capital employed minus 1. That is the first period return. The second period return is we employ 45 pound, and eventually we get 60 pound at the end. So this is the rate of return, and then we're compounding these two return by multiple 1 plus that rate and multiple them. Take away 1, we get the rate of compound rate of return. So this rate of return is much substantially higher than the internal rate of return, because that is assuming you changing the money you invest, because the second half actually is have a lower weight in internal rate of return calculation than the time weighted. Time weighted, assuming you invest another 100, then it will give you 133 pound in return instead. So it take away the changing of your investment and give you a per dollar value of returns.